If your engine's making noise like this one, and your belt is worn like that one, come over here. Obviously replace the belt, but also check your pulleys. The alternator's okay. What about the tensioner? That one's all right. What about the water pump? Notice how this one has excessive play. This indicates that your water pump is worn, so it's gonna need to get replaced. Let me take it off and give you a closer look. Check it out. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Here's the new one. I'm gonna take the pulley off of the old one, put it on the new one. Got the Olsa Tools indexing pry bar. Comes in handy. Swap it out. Got the new belt, new water pump installed. It's good to go.